Welcome back to Homespot. Are you tired of melting in the brutal summer sun every time you step into your backyard? Today we are diving into stunning pergola ideas that will transform your blazing patio into the ultimate shady nook. Grab your favorite cold drink and let us get right into these amazing builds. Transform your backyard into a luxury retreat by building a sturdy, freestanding frame designed to hold a gently swaying, twin-sized daybed. Imagine lounging outside with thick outdoor cushions and waterproof fabrics, reading your favorite book, or simply drifting off to sleep beneath the beautiful, open rafters of your custom wooden structure. Create a remarkably cozy festival vibe right at home with a low-profile wooden frame accented by beautifully draped macrame curtains. By placing oversized, colorful floor pillows and textured woven rugs directly underneath, you instantly craft a relaxed, laid-back outdoor living space that is incredibly perfect for casual evening conversations with friends. Achieve a high-end architectural look on a budget by combining sleek painted black posts with a crisp white geometric sun sail. This striking, contemporary contrast not only provides excellent shade during those scorching summer afternoons, but also serves as a bold, modern centerpiece that will definitely elevate your entire garden aesthetic. Nothing beats the timeless romance of a classic arch timber frame designed specifically to support incredibly fast-growing climbing plants. As lush purple wisteria or sweet jasmine completely engulfs the overhead structure, it creates a breathtaking, fragrant living roof that gracefully transforms your basic yard into a majestic, secret garden getaway. Bring that exclusive tropical resort feeling right to your own backyard with a freestanding shade structure situated beautifully by the water. By adding elegant, flowing sheer white curtains to every side, you easily create a luxurious, private oasis that catches the gentle summer breezes while you relax after a refreshing swim. Upgrade a standard traditional structure by arranging your top roof slats into a stunning, complex chevron or herringbone pattern. This unique architectural detail does much more than provide shade. It casts incredibly mesmerizing, constantly shifting geometric shadow patterns across your patio floor as the bright sun moves overhead all day long. For an incredibly affordable and highly sustainable project, consider using completely disassembled shipping pallets to construct your structure. This eco-friendly approach creates a wonderfully rustic, textured accent wall and slatted roof screen that brings rich character, incredible charm, and unbeatable value to any modern backyard outdoor living and entertaining space. Transform a basic daytime seating area into an absolutely magical nighttime oasis by thickly weaving hundreds of sparkling LED fairy lights throughout the wooden rafters. Adding a few strategically placed vintage Edison bulbs provides beautiful downward illumination, making this the perfect, enchanting spot for late dinners and midnight stargazing sessions. Cultivate a deeply peaceful meditation corner in your garden by embracing clean lines and dark, rich wood stains. By integrating natural bamboo privacy screens into the sturdy sides, you instantly achieve a beautifully minimalist, Japanese-inspired aesthetic that beautifully blocks out noisy neighbors and invites pure, uninterrupted tranquility into your life. Gain complete control over your patio environment by installing a highly functional, do-it-yourself wire and pulley system overhead. This brilliant design securely supports large outdoor fabric panels that easily slide fully closed to block intense midday rays, or smoothly push back to reveal the beautiful open sky when evening finally arrives. Maximize every single inch of a tight backyard layout by building a custom L-shaped frame specifically designed to perfectly hug an outdoor sectional sofa. This incredibly smart, space-saving approach beautifully anchors your seating arrangement while providing essential overhead protection without completely dominating the rest of your precious grassy open yard area. Step outside the box and completely ditch those boring, traditional natural wood stains. By painting your entire outdoor structure a bold, unexpected summer color like vibrant teal or deep sage green, you instantly create a massive, cheerful focal point that makes all your surrounding green garden foliage absolutely pop beautifully. Become the undisputed champion of summer hosting by constructing a substantial wooden overhang directly above your custom barbecue island. Incorporating a spacious built-in bar counter and convenient hanging glassware racks overhead provides vital shade for the chef while giving thirsty guests a fantastic, dedicated place to gather and safely socialize. Bring a wonderful touch of rustic Tuscany directly to your own property with a heavy timber frame intentionally built to support aggressive vine growth. As thick, leafy grapevines slowly climb and weave through the sturdy overhead rafters, they provide deep, natural cooling shade and eventually yield delicious, homegrown sweet summer fruit. Embrace a timeless English garden aesthetic by heavily painting your wooden backyard structure in a pristine, bright white finish. Carefully training vibrant pink or deep red climbing roses to wrap tightly around the sturdy corner posts creates an overwhelmingly romantic, deeply fragrant floral sanctuary that looks absolutely spectacular on camera. You absolutely do not need a massive, sprawling suburban yard to enjoy beautiful architectural shade. Building a cleverly scaled-down, exceptionally lightweight version specifically designed to be safely secured onto apartment balconies or tiny concrete patios brings that much-desired cozy outdoor living room experience directly to cramped, high-rise city apartment dwellers. Challenge your DIY skills slightly by constructing a gorgeous pitched, open rafter roof rather than the standard flat design. This elevated, spacious architectural style beautifully sheds heavy seasonal rain and provides ample overhead clearance to safely wire in a weather-resistant ceiling fan, guaranteeing a wonderfully constant, refreshing breeze all summer long. Quickly establish a secluded outdoor sanctuary by attaching affordable metal wire grid mesh panels directly to the bare wooden sides. This highly functional, simple addition allows beautiful climbing vines like clematis or ivy to rapidly scale the structure, effectively growing a solid, lush green privacy wall in just one single season. Maximize your backyard entertainment potential by intentionally designing one wide side of the framework to perfectly hold a large, roll-down projector screen. This transforms your beautifully shaded daytime lounging spot into an incredibly cozy, dedicated outdoor movie theater, making it the absolute best place to gather on warm summer nights. For the ultimate temporary or highly budget-conscious setup, construct your entire frame using surprisingly sturdy, thick PVC pipes. By applying a clever, easy faux wood grain painting technique to the plastic surface, you create an incredibly lightweight, easily movable structure that looks genuinely expensive but costs a tiny fraction to build. From rustic pallet wood builds to luxurious poolside cabanas, adding a DIY pergola is the absolute best way to upgrade your outdoor living space this season. If you found the perfect inspiration for your backyard makeover today, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more home design inspiration, and let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite.